DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that contains the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all living organisms and many viruses. It is often described as the blueprint or code of life because it carries the hereditary information necessary for the transmission of traits from one generation to the next. DNA is composed of two long chains, polymers of nucleotides, twisted into a double helix structure. Each nucleotide is made up of a sugar, deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. The sequence of these nitrogenous bases encodes genetic information, with specific sequences forming genes that provide the instructions for making proteins, which are essential for cell functions and structure. The main functions of DNA include 1. Storing genetic information. DNA stores the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. 2. Replicating genetic information. Before a cell divides, DNA replicates so that each new cell has an identical set of genetic information. 3. Protein synthesis. DNA contains the instructions for the synthesis of proteins, which perform most of the functions in the body. DNA is found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, like those of animals, plants, and fungi, and in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells, like bacteria. It is essential for life as it directs cellular activities and is responsible for inheritance and variation in organisms.